Good evening, everybody. Hi, this is the Rock Dad. So I'm going to restore this wheel here tonight. So I got a new machine, and it's not just one-sided, but it's double-sided. Double-sided rotating flat lap. Now this is going to be a long process. I'm just going to kind of resurface these ones that are on here right now, but I think I can pull these heads and turn them into a magnetic flat. I'm going to bull hide the inside of this real heavy and make it artificially waterproof, and it should be pretty nice. But she works. What I have on here right now is just a little bit of oil. We're just going to season these nice. So I appreciate everybody watching the YouTube channel. And we're going to have to grind away a little of this rust. So what we're going to do here, we're going to use a rock. Something fairly soft. I got some rhyolite here. Oil will keep it fairly soft and cool. It is variable speed, but it's a belt adjustment on the bottom. So we just got it set on the nice slow setting right now. Yeah, it's knocking that rust off real well. This piece of equipment was probably built in 1950. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. You feel the one rust catch on it. You can see it as it jerks my hand. Not to worry. This is the real bad one. But this one appears not to be catching and jerking as much. Sorry here. These let me polish Thunder Eggs. I don't think they're smooth enough to set up for the gem arms, but kind of a cool machine. It was hand built by an old time rock hound who's had a real love for this kind of stuff. So Mr. Buchanan, wherever you are, thank you. Actually, I don't know if that's your name, but I know your daughter, and that's her name. So, but anyway. Sandy, thank you. So your husband, thank you. All right, we're gonna have to restore these a little more, give that one a chance to cool. Ah, that little crab is going away. Oh, we're filming, so of course Terrence the cat has to come say hi. We just want to keep grinding that rock face on there until that rust is feeling like it's going away. It's all caught up in the rotating wheels. I don't know what grits these are. Don't know much about them. But I know the rest isn't good. So, We got some discoloration. Looks a lot smoother. Look at all that we got off there. Let's see what happens when we shut it down. The pitting's pretty much gone. Yeah, it's all smooth and uniform. So, this is one of the little things that I've been working on. Here's the other. So we got this beautiful machine right here. Old hand built. Large wheels. I'm going to case the sides a little more here so that it's a little safer. Don't want anything grabbing and catching. But Crown Lapidary. Crown Lapidary. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can easily modify this for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All runs off one motor. Runs pretty slick. I have fired it up. I need to get the water pump set up. That's the only component I'm missing, so I'm going to have to wait until I can get a water pump to get it. They got light mounted right above it. We got another set of wheels. And got that old Crown Lap over there in my messy garage. Other side of the rock shop's kind of a mess right now, but it's just one of those things. We're just going to keep working at it, and eventually one day it's going to be nice. Well, guys, I think for all the support you guys have given me all over the years, appreciate it. We're going to be putting out some more videos here in the future. We've just been super swamped and super busy with work, but we're going to start doing some more stuff. And if you're on TikTok, check me out on TikTok too. I'm The Rock Dads. The reason we're The Rock Dads is because Dwayne The Rock Johnson is a lot bigger than me, and he's already got the name, and I'm not going to argue with him. So, all right, guys, take care. Catch you on the flip side. Rock Dad out.